I'm going to show you how to get the Gmail app on your laptop or PC. For this method to work, you need to ensure that you have Google Chrome installed or you're using a Chromium-based browser. So all we need to do is head on over to Google and in the very, very top right, just click Gmail. Once here in the very top right, either click the three lines or it could be three dots, then scroll all the way down until you see save and share or words that are similar to save and share. Sometimes it might say cast, save and share. And what we want to do is click install page as app. As you can see, you can now install this page as an app. You can rename it something different, but obviously calling it Gmail makes the most sense. And then just click the install button. Now we have installed Gmail as an app. So at the very bottom, you can hover over the Gmail logo, right click on it, and then you can pin it to your taskbar. So it's always at the bottom. Alternatively, you can now open the search bar, type in Gmail, and you can see it is installed as an app. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like.